Hi, I am B.S. Manjunath and I am an actor. And for an actor, it is very important to have good looks, good body and fitness. Fitness is very important. And also, we may have to go for shooting at odd hours, at places which are very far away and under very difficult conditions we have to act. So fitness is important along with our feel good factor. We should feel very healthy and we should feel happy so that we can portray the character on the screen. Now that is the reason why you can see my hair. My hair, it's all white hair. You can see, Now because I have dyed my hair, on the top you can see little black. Otherwise the whole hair is white. Just have a look. This is my natural hair. ಎಲ್ಲ ವೈಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಫುಲ್ಲು. ಇನ್ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಪ್ಪು ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ, ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ನು ಬೆಳೆಯೋಕೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟರೆ ಫುಲ್ ವೈಟ್ ಹೇರ್. I want to wear a wig because I have all white hairs, and dyeing every month or very frequently creates a lot of problem. It gives rashes and reddening of the skin, and you have to keep scratching and it's a cumbersome thing. And having a wig directly, you don't, and that too particularly a natural wig like this, which I can comb in front of everybody, and it gives me a very natural look and makes me look younger. So this is the sort of thing I was looking for, and this company which existed since 1971, WDI, Wig Designs International, and they have really understood my problem. And they have designed a wig exactly as I wanted. My natural hair is also like this, and I have a lot of hair, but I still want this wig to avoid dyeing of hair because all the hair is white. Even my mush also has become white. So anyway, dyeing the mush is a lot easier than dyeing the whole hair, So I am totally satisfied. And their company has been giving wigs to all the celebrities, and that too custom designed wigs to all the celebrities. And nowadays they are giving it to all the general public and people, cancer patients, and maybe some African nationals, and all over the world they have their business, and they are doing wonderful. I feel that they are doing a wonderful service. So I really wish them all the best, and I am very much satisfied with the wig I got, and as per my choice. Thank you.